in the kitchen. I know, and the sink actually works. How nice. You know, again, out the dock window. And over by the stove. So in the fridge, well, the freezer to start, see, there's all food even in the freezer, and it's all product placement. All of this are products that the companies, well, except the Pathmark stuff, but everything else is products that the companies have asked to be in the film. Look at how nicely stocked the fridge is. Looks like a real refrigerator, but it's not really a real refrigerator. I mean, it's a real refrigerator, but it's sitting on set. And if we go right here, as if we're going to the bathroom, that nice tile floor, but if we go as if we're going to the bathroom, we come out here, and oh dear, we're outside on the stage.